two, one, go.
All right, Mike V Power Hour. Okay. Oh, they're just so buff and just pop. Something's going on here. Hold on a second. Every day I have to align new charts. Align it. All right. The futures just popped and they came in. VIX, spike up, down. Okay, here's a long term on the VIX. That's what's giving the bulls at least any. That's what gave them any hope yesterday. First of all, let's get into a groove now. You know what I mean? It's what 3:15. I get people, whatever, 3 o'clock. Is pinging me left and right. This is freaking going off. Tony Pistachio, he's snoozing right there. He has no idea what's going on. Might be being kibbled soon. All right, SPX 5550, the level. Qs, the level that they wanted to hold was 477, to be honest with you, and they didn't. So feels like a Friday. All right, let me go. I can't get too much because, although I will say, if I was on a proverbial desert island besides TradeGATEHub, if I would be on one side, it would be the Jesus feed. Just let me paraphrase, or actually not paraphrase. Read what he says just now. Sweepers doing a little nibble, nothing aggressive. I get it. Nobody's saying it's over. Nobody's trying to pick the bottom and go on vacation and say I got it. Higher put calls. That's good. Everybody's getting more bearish. Credit in better shape. Okay, maybe we're set up for something right now. Still quiet action. Okay, maybe things are settling down a little bit. You know, it's not healthy, but be aware. It's Friday. Maybe they rip them into OPEX. The smart money is starting to buy a little bit. If you want to know what the smart money is, you do this. First of all, drink it up. You know what this freaking thing? Where is it? You know what stock is holding in well? ADMA. The futures really, and I was buying more. I like this stock is something. This is a very very good acting bio. ADMA. There's the weekly. All moving averages curling up, well above all moving averages on the weekly. Well above all the moving averages here, above the gap. It's a clean trade. I don't know if it works, but I've done worse. All right. Let's see what to listen. It is what it is. Let's see if Jim Cramer posts his oscillator. It's really right. Follow the guy for freaking 30 years. All right. If it weren't for the president, I think we could have a rally here. Okay. So what that tells me, an opinion, it's sentiment driven. It's not like, oh, the 10-year starting to turn or the VIX is starting to pull back. It's the Donnie, which means one word is more important than fundamentals at this point, an opinion. More important. Set one of the best futures trader I know. Struggling. We're struggling. What level did I say? 5550? I didn't even get it from him. 5550. That's the level in the S&P. Right? That's the level. Put it there on your refrigerator. Draw the line in your S&PX. That's it. Trade against it. I don't know what it's making. Okay, hold on. First of all, listen. I've learned long enough growing around the thoroughbred racetrack around professional gamblers and about traders for a long time, losing and making a lot of fortune. Some good, some bad. Don't bet against streaks. Meta was up 20 days in a row. All right. Now people are joking. I was old enough to remember when Meta was up 20 days in a row. All right. Every day, just like they were 2 months ago, whatever it was, 3 months ago. They're buying every dip. Now they're selling every rip. What's so hard? You know, a real good trader would take off every, as I keep pontificating, percent gainers on the day if you want to take a look. I'll pontificate. Take off every stock, no matter what the sector, what's going on. Any stock above the 50-day moving average should be on your screen, no matter what happens. Every stock showing relative strength over 80 should be on the screen. I have scanners for that, but this is stock I'm in. What's the name of this thing? Oh, how's the Nugget doing? By the way, G Money. I'm sorry, Gerard. How's the guy in the Nugget doing? How's that trade working out? It's not even started. The gold miner ETF. Here's the weekly. Ooh, GDX. Please go to PTGH. You're in the fund quite heavily, thank God. Launchpad. Not started. AGQ, same thing. I don't care if it has silver has things to do with technology. Just starting. AGQ. I'm not telling you to go to stocks. This is silver. The stocks may pull back because of the market pull. Listen, just trust me. The coach knows what he's doing. Listen to coach. All right, other stocks. Intel having its day. Okay, this Intel news apparently is equivalent to when the CMG guy left and went to which other place? Column, whatever, Sweet Cream. Okay, Intel. This could listen. Maybe it's no one day wonder. Maybe it's not. This could go up. This could be up to $2 tomorrow. The market would be down 2%. Dollar General. Okay, is it earnings? And said in TradeGATEHub, I think it's more also earnings, and the market's rotating into what's going on. The stock had a 7-day rip. I can know what 7-day rally, pulled back to the 2 moving averages, and then rallied and stayed strong after earnings today. Price range, volume, and they just got it now. It was holding on until look at it. Well, it did the opening range breakout. For any active trader, there was a trade. Okay. Opening range breakout 79. Algo new break high. I mean $1.50. Now I don't like that type of chart. It's absorbing sellers or buyers, whatever they want. I don't like it. This is what you should like. Get used to this thing. Lego my ego. The first one that was strong a couple of years ago. Look at the chart going back. It's got it in it. Watch Lego my ego. What do you want to do? You never get the fat pitch. Stocks blew up today. And Gerard, the senior OG in the room, he was right. These stocks blew up. Never go up again. One day wonder. Done. How about a sign? The guy was buying, finally gave it up. Another one, it's over. Take it off the screen. PTT. I don't want to bring that up. Good trading PTT. Here we go. GDXJ launch pad. CXM, a sexy stock. I like this stock. CXM. Sprinkler. Keep an eye on this one. It's got it in it. Once it gaps down, even when it gaps down, it's recovered. CXM, keep an eye. Charts and news yesterday. Volume. Holding in. I'm serious. ANF is going to the weekly. Those chartists. ANF, they got my eye in the weekly. 68, if you will. And believe me, it's headed there with or without you. Why do we short it? Not my style. Got an eye on. You VIX. Mick, welcome back. Turning here, lunar eclipse. See, coach has been trading the future very well for the market. So what does he say? And why? So coach does the work for me. At this point, yeah, it's clean. You know what it's, you know where you stand here. Listen, it's risk to reward. And unfortunately for me, I got some bleeders and I oversized. I have it written down. I broke in a new notebook. I was so excited. I went to Staples. SPL is what used to be the symbol. You see that? Yeah, I went to Staples. Right? The first thing I wrote in here. First freaking page. All excited. Actually, second page. Third page. Cut down size, asterisk. I give it an asterisk. Asterisk. For me, that's important, giving asterisk. I don't give like exclamation points in Seinfeld. I don't give away asterisks that easily. Coach noted, thank you. High level opinion, Dale Pinker. It is. Okay. Let's see what's going now. Do you have any questions? I have to go to this thing. What's his name? Jane Norm. Good luck with the surgery. I hope you're watching from the bed, trading on a lot of painkillers. Believe me, sometimes it works. So I know you'll be out there pressing no matter what. And if it doesn't, if it's a loser, write it off. Bad trades while under sedation and surgery. It's a write-off, trust me. I've done it. Hope you're feeling better. Where is it? Nick, you should have told, if you know what I was gonna say, I actually deleted it. The HMR is the one. If the weather was nicer, you should have told me. I heard that festival was killer. HMR. This has potential to really, really work going a lot higher. I'm in that. This one right here. I missed a lot of it too. I had it early. Final morning. Heldar Maritime. It's got a lot of volume. Here's the weekly. It's above. Listen, this is what you want in terms of the technician. I don't care if they make widgets. Where's Mick? Help me out here. The weekly close is that bar right here. Where's that bar? 433. So ideally, you want to close above 433 on the weekly. Going to the daily, I'm out of breath. You want it to close over there. By the way, this is the RSI. The RSI is only 67. God forbid it holds this gapper. It's got it in it. Boom, boom. And the weekly. Maybe the weekly resistance is 17. The stock's freaking 4. You got to try. Oh, down thing. This person killed it. See, that's why they killed it. The shorts heard me. It's just the freaking 20 cent. Look at that. 20-cent down tick. I got like 20,000 shares. It's like 8,000 down tick. Oh, freaking new tires. That sucks. I hate that. Freaking $8,000 down tick. My wife heard like things like that when I'm speaking, and she, well, 8,000. Well, don't worry about it. I'm okay. She doesn't understand. All right, here's something high level opinion. And we'll go to earnings. I'm sorry about using the term too much high level opinion. Ulta, new 12-month low, our friend Rev. Current price 313. Obviously, Ulta Beauty is in the retailing sector. It's self-explanatory. If you don't know what's going on in the retailers, do one of two things. Keep taking more medication or go to the yellow red YouTube button and get an idea what we do. Retailers are freaking getting killed. Ulta. Earnings tonight. Current price 313. Warren Buffett. He's in predominantly cash. This is the one he's in. His cost is 313. Oh, it's 313. Even Warren's down 30% in Ulta. He takes 30% losses. See, why Warren holds his losers? It happens. I'm in Foot Locker. What happened to sneakers? I'm in Foot Locker. I can't believe I'm losing money in Foot Locker. I wouldn't buy a shoe. I can't say that. CTRM, he's back. It better have a can. Listen, I don't care if CTRM is 2 cents. What do you like the other one? What about the other one, that H stock, HMR? I need an opinion. That's a winner. CTRM, it better have some sort of candle, Mick, or else you go stick to hitting those perfectas. There we go. And you turn the stock well. See, now I got to know. CTRM. Why? You have to know your moderator, just like you have to know your people in the room. The stock is popped. You made a lot of money in this. Now I got an eye. Where's B hat? R hat. B hat? Oh, B hat's ripping. All right, here's another one. Another one. So keep an eye. Let me finish my point. Ulta. Keep an eye on it. You know what I looked at before? And it was Warren Buffett's previous position. I'm not sure if it's in it anymore. It's in it anymore. I'm trying to speak too fast. It's this Old Town Coffee with no liquor in it. He was in previously Restoration Hardware. Look at RH. And if RH is doing that, I know this one's not far behind. Because RH, Restoration Hardware, is a spinoff of Home Depot. Restoration Hardware. High-level faucets. high-level faucets, expensive faucets. There it is. That makes Tesla look like a pullback. Colta. I wouldn't even buy. Listen, I've been taking the only retail I bought was Bros, BROS. I'll get to that in a second. Am I going on too long here? I could talk all day. All right, Ulta, keep an eye on. If Warren Buffett sells Ulta here, it probably will squeeze, just no disrespect. But that's even a bigger problem going forward. Still think I might have an opinion about that. Another one of our boys, Dan. 14 straight sessions with decline at one point. Sell the rip. Now it's 16 days in a row. Never bet against streaks. If you're right, you bet against it, you're never going to get it back. Trust me, I have privy to Tradeview markets accounts, tens of thousands of them. I see it. Even without the denomination, I see prices. Don't do it. Please. It's taking me this long even. It's even Warren's even doing it. The video. Next. I don't like it. That's an incredible stat. This is an incredible stat. I'm in a couple of small caps, but not as, listen, the way I trade, if I can speak personally, selfish and personally, I'm lucky that I stuck to new rules. I haven't had rules. I've been trading 20 years. Literally, I say something 30, 20 years. I haven't had rules in the past freaking first quarter century. 3 years I've haven't established rules. And they're working. IWM underperforming by the largest since the dot-com bubble. Forget about COVID. You know what happened in COVID? Yeah. This is what happened in COVID. Well, obviously you can see what happened in the dot-com bubble. That's COVID. That moved down. Dot-com bubble. I know when that was. I was trading it, baby. Anyway, a major statistic. All right, so I wouldn't be looking for any. Unless keep a couple of things in mind. Naturally, the VIX and all that other stuff, and Donnie speaking. I wouldn't be looking for any type of headline, or if they do, I'll try to be in it. But yet again, I'll be underweight. I wouldn't be looking for small caps have outperformed and now made the bounce back by the largest margin since the dot-com bubble. I don't think you're gonna have to get some white out and say outperforming for some bounce. What is this? She's a good trader, Linda. Coach probably knows her, if not interviewed her, probably even taught her. Go back to periods where the market has run more than 14 closes below. No, this is Kramer did pump Tesla last night. He pumped it to death. And TSLL, and I punted 78,000 shares at an average price of 908 to 924. Last night it was trading like 972. It's a lot of money after I went through that pain. And that's what happened now. Next. All right, I'm getting close. Now I can stop stalling. What's going on there? Still can't push through. JNUG going through. They're going through JNUG. Golds. My mouth is dry. Gotta go. I went through that. Genome, you're already home? I've gotten fillings less than that much time. Did you fly back too? I know first of all, I don't even think I'm second guessing the career you told me you have. You're flying back all in front of the place. You trade better than I do. Something's up. AG Gold. JNUG. It's got room. This is a triple ETF. God forbid it goes. It hasn't even gone yet. I'm preaching ETFs now. Triple ETFs. That's not prudent. All right. The bottom line is, and let's get this. The SPX 5500 is the way. Let me get to my screen. Jane, I'm back already. I've gotten fillings in less than that much time. In more time. Oh, the future's back then. All right, we gotta go. Cheers, everybody.